If you want to know the #1 way to make enough residual income to retire from your job in 2026, stay to the end of this video. So what I'm doing here is blogging. Okay, so blog is an old school way to get a ton of recurring traffic. Okay, but people stop doing it. But it still works like gangbusters. So what I'm doing is borrowing the authority of badassnetwork.com, and also I can make residual income from that. But my posts rank much quicker. But in 2026, SEO is different. Okay, they're listening to the words, not just reading the words. The people like the Google, etc., the AI, they're crawling, and they're also listening to what you record. So why wouldn't I double or triple the effort, do one-time effort, and get triple the results? So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to read from the blog, so I get 3 times more effort results. So what I'm showing you right here is that this works like gangbusters. Before we get into this video, stay to the end of this video, because this is the #1 way to do what other people aren't doing and get serious results. So I'm going to look for hands-free duplication, the math of a 3,000 per month residual income. And I haven't put this video on YouTube yet. Okay, so that's an older video, Instagram post. Okay, and that's another Instagram post. Okay, and so they're ranking on the first page of Google. So let's see what happens when I check on YouTube. Again, I haven't put this on YouTube, and I haven't published the article. So, but because I stay consistent and I follow what's working, see, this is a video that hasn't even premiered yet. That's ranked #1. This is an ad. Okay. So ranking on 2 times on the first page of Google and #1 on YouTube. Okay, you can do this for any company. Now, hands-free duplication, the math of the 3,000 per month residual engine. Let's get it. Before you can build a $3,000 per month residual income, you have to stop thinking like a gambler and start thinking like a mechanic. Most people in this industry are looking for a lucky break or a viral video to save them. They are living on rented land, praying that an algorithm doesn't change the rules overnight and wipe out their entire existence. I don't play those games. As an SEO marketing veteran in Reno, I build on owned land. I build systems that don't need to be on 24/7 just to keep the lights on. If you aren't building a digital asset that you own, you aren't building a business. You're just auditioning for a job that can fire you without notice. Hands-free duplication, automated affiliate marketing systems, and the power of owned land. So I'm going to edit this as I go. Okay, so the reason you are tired is that you're trying to be the engine. You're waking up every day trying to manually push a car down the highway. In the hands-free duplication model, we build the engine once and let it drive. Now watch, you see how this is only 19 out of 100? This is ranking it automatically, okay? So I need to get to 75 to publish this article, but it seems like it's a long ways. But check this out, I'm going to make one change. Now remember this 19 score, right? This is actually going to tell me what's wrong. So it says add focus keyword to the SEO title, right? So we're going to type this title, right? Hands-free duplication. Now watch. It automatically went from 19 to 77, and now it's rankable and publishable. Okay? That was what, 57 points? Okay? Powerful. Okay? One change. So we use what I call Reno tested SEO. The reason you're tired is you're trying to be the engine. You're waking up every day trying to manually push a car down the highway. In the hands-free duplication model, we build the engine once and let it drive. Hands-free duplication, automated affiliate marketing systems, and the power of owned land. We use what I call Reno tested SEO. This isn't about chasing trends or trying to hack a social media platform. It's about building digital equity on your own blog and your own email list. Have you ever heard the money's in the list? When you own the land, you own the traffic. When you own the traffic, you own the conversion. This is the difference between a post that disappears in 24 hours and a pillar that ranks for 24 months. See, Google and YouTube are the way. People go to social media and they're missing out on the whole point. They're continually doing stuff over and over again, and they're being shown to a small smidgen of their people, and then in a couple of days their stuff is buried. Okay, have you ever calculated how much of your current business is sitting on rented land that could disappear tomorrow? Hands-free duplication, automated affiliate marketing system, the architecture of the Home Business Academy. To understand why this works, you have to look at the structure of the Home Business Academy, HBA. We use a specific header system to ensure every piece of content provides absolute clarity to the leader. See, we learned the best strategies in HBA on my team, okay? We have a top 6 earner, multiple companies teaching your people how to build their business, okay, your business, Monday through Friday for 2 hours a day, okay? Not only do you have recorded Netflix type style videos, but you can get live training to build your business, and we'll even build you a custom branded funnel for your business, okay? What is HBA? It's the foundation. So we have the best team, we have the best training, we have the best bonuses, we have the best system, and we rank our videos like gangbusters on YouTube and even Google. It is the foundation of an automated affiliate marketing system. It provides the tools and the high percentage payouts that makes the math work. Who created HBA? Okay, Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs, 2 leaders who built this for the little guy to ensure everyone has a fair shot at duplication. Then they pay 80% commissions and feed starving children. What? Inside the system, you get the funnel builder, the training, and community. But more importantly, you get the hands-free duplication logic. Pricing, a simple $25 entry point for the builder, but we focus on the $35 trial that unlocks the full residual potential. See, join me for $35, okay? And you are in 2 levels, and now you can earn, normally you can earn $28 on that $35, but there's a 2-week free trial. If you get in right now, then you can get the premium version on 2-week trial that would normally cost you $125, so that'd be $160, but you can get it for $35, and in 2 weeks you can get a test drive the system and even potentially get sales. Okay, can't guarantee anything, but if you put in the work, it is possible. Okay, especially if you already have a team. Okay, pros and cons. The pro is an 80% commission rate. The con, it requires you to actually follow the system and stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Stop starting over. Okay, I'm not asking you to switch your company. Bring whatever you're building and we'll help you build it. Sound pretty cool? Who is it for? The person done with the hustle and ready for the architecture. Hand-free duplication automated affiliate marketing system. Why people fail before they compound. Most people quit right before the math starts to get interesting. Okay? They stop, they start, they stop, they start, and they wonder why they never go anywhere, and then they blame the system. No, you are the problem, okay? If that's you, and you keep starting over, and you keep seeing the next shiny object, you are the problem, okay? They see a slow start and assume the system doesn't work. When they don't understand is the physics of compounding. In the Home Business Academy, we weren't just selling a product, we were installing a professional grade business structure. Okay, if you quit in month 2 because you didn't see 10,000, you're quitting on the foundation. Have you ever seen the image where somebody's digging and mining and they're they're like inches from the diamonds, but they're like, this isn't working, I quit. If you quit in month 2 because you didn't see 10,000, you're quitting on the foundation. You can't build a skyscraper on a slab that hasn't cured yet. The math of $3,000 per month is built on $128 residual stacks. Each person you help plug into the system adds another brick to the wall. So get a calculator, okay? 24 times 128 is like 3,072 a month. And it automatically goes to your bank account once you set it up once, right? Hands-free duplication automated affiliate marketing system, the 150-day proof. Here's the technical proof. While most gurus give you a 7-day email sequence and wish you luck, hands-free duplication gives you, my team gives you a 150-day automated follow-up. That's nearly half a year of automated touch points building your authority while you sleep. This is how we rank #1 on Google, YouTube and even Google consistently. Okay, it isn't talent, it's a mechanical repetition of a proven framework. When a lead enters your world, the automated affiliate maker system takes over. So we have this, HBA has amazing training, but we have amazing training too. And we're not scared to teach you the best tactics, okay, that to allow us to rank on Google before assets are even out, okay? This video I showed you, it's not even recorded yet. This isn't even the term that it's written in here, right? Hands-free duplication, how teams grow your residual income. But it's #1, and it doesn't even premiere for like 3 days. Okay, it's not even online. They see your blog, they read your sequence, and they see your leadership, even if you're out in Reno enjoying your time while the system handles the heavy lifting. So we have a system that does the selling and telling for you, okay? People know, like, and trust you. If your follow-up was automated for the next 150 days, how much more time would you have to focus on high-level leadership? And we'll build you a custom branded funnel for your primary business. Hands-free, and we'll train you and your people too, and their people. Hands-free duplication, mechanical proof, the Reno tested math behind 3,000 per month. Here's the part most people never calculate. They talk about passive income, but they never run the numbers like a mechanic. In the hands-free duplication model, the math is linear, predictable, and duplication friendly. Step 1, the $128 residual stack. The funnel builder, the premium, this is not correct. Okay, this is Let's Go app. It's $10 and it's an accountability app. Let's go. He pays $8. Total $128 per month per active member. Step 2, the 24 member threshold. 24 members times 128 is 3,072. Remember I told you to get a calculator? Check it. This is why we don't chase thousands of customers. We build 24 leaders, not 2,400 followers. Step 3, the 150-day conversion window. Your blog plus your YouTube plus your 150-day follow-up creates a closed-loop conversion cycle. You don't even have to put your video in here. I did it for a long time. But get out of your comfort zone, because comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Every lead enters the same machine. Every touch point, everybody I've added, they didn't know me. They just followed. They watched my YouTube video or they followed read my blog. And the last person, he joined with the $35 trial. 2 weeks later, I got the $100 commission, and that's one-time work, and I get paid over and over again with that from that. Okay, and if you get the 2-week trial, start for $35, and in 2 weeks, I take that the $100 commission and I'll put it towards traffic and buy more and more traffic as more people, and I'll help you build your business. Okay, sound pretty cool? I'm taking my profit and putting it back into helping you win. Sound pretty cool? When 2 of your members duplicate the system, the math accelerates. 2 duplicators times 12 members each equals 24 total. Okay, say all you need 24 people to make 3,072. Okay, that's not correct either. This is a single tier system. Okay, so but you only need 24. Okay, so a snowball going downhill, it creates a lot of momentum. Okay, nobody's scared of snowball, but by the time it goes downhill, it can create an avalanche of traffic. Okay, an avalanche of snow. Hands-free duplication, if this ends at 15 minutes, it is what it is. You know, I will get better software, but right now I'm not trying to spend $1 million to try to make $1 million. Okay, you don't need to do that when it's 2 to profit. Okay, any level, 8 times 2 is 16, right? 25. So you pay for $10, you can make $16. What you pay for $25, you can make $40. What you pay for the premium, instead of $150, you can make $200. Right? Makes sense? Success is about proximity. When you're inside the system, you're in a mastermind of winners who speak from scars, not scripts. We don't guess what works. We look at the Reno tested data. Okay, we normalize the slow start because we know the finish line is a 3,000 per month residual machine. We prioritize duplication because if your people aren't winning, you don't have a business. You have a job. In our mastermind, we focus on the architecture of the sovereign architect. We don't want you stuck in the hustler phase forever. We want you moving in the role of a visionary who owns the assets. So if you make $3,000 in your month in April, okay, guess what? In most businesses, you're starting over from scratch, and it takes hundreds of people to get that 3,000 a month. Okay, this takes 24 people. Okay, 24 people that'll work. Now, here's what makes this system rank long term. Primary keyword: automated affiliate marketing systems. For example, okay, secondary keywords: residual income, hands-free duplication, Reno tested SEO. Compounding math, online strategy, 150-day follow-up. I'm targeting all these things, and Google's listening. They're crawling. Not only are they seeing these words, but they're listening to these words. Math, proof, structure, and long-term depth. Geo-relevance, Reno tested methodology. This is another thing I'm doing. I'm recruiting Reno. This is not a post as a pillar engineer to sit on a page for 24 months or more. Hands-free duplication, automated affiliate marketing system to the September 2026 reality. By September 2026, the people who start building online today will be the ones holding the keys. They don't care about algorithm updates or social media bans. They will have a $3,000 per month residual income engine that is hand-free and duplication ready. Okay, that's my goal. Okay, so I can get not only the money freedom but the time freedom. Okay. They will be sovereign architects of their own lives. They will have the trade the hustle for infrastructure. They will have moved from rented land to own equity. Are you ready to stop being the manual labor and being the architect of your own residual engine? Okay, I've shown you that it's very possible to rank on the first page of Google, right? for something that wasn't even published yet. And number 1 for something that doesn't even have the same title, right? And hasn't even been published yet, okay? This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get JJ today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Call me 775 or text me 775-460-7938.